Then the nightingale began to sing. It sang so beautifully that tears came into the king's eyes. His tears showed how deeply he loved the birds singing. When the song was finished, the king tried to give the bird a reward, but the nightingale would not take it. "Oh, a king's tears have a strange power," he said. "They are a greatest reward of it. I want no other present." Everyone who heard the nightingale sing agreed that it was a wonderful bird. It was decided that the bird should stay at the castle instead of going back to its home in the forest. In the forest 뭐 숲으로 안 들려보내고 궁전에다가 나이팅게일을 가둔 거야. 너 어떡해. It was put in a cage and let out twice a day. 어떡해. 가둬놓고 하루에 2번만 내보내준대. 나빠, 그치? 응, 지우야, 가서 혼내줘. 몰라요. 난 그냥 좋아요. It was put. 여기 읽었는데. 그랬어? 기쁜이. 그랬구나. 야, 어디서 전화 와?